What's going on, guys? Aldrin Estacio here at FlytPath.com. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the Freewell Gear Sunshade for your mobile device as well as your tablet. And I recently got an email from DJI letting me know that there's going to be a sale starting on April 2nd and going on for a couple weeks. So if you are in the market for a drone, you might want to wait till April 2nd. I don't have the full details on everything that's going to be discounted, but I do know there's going to be some good stuff in there if you're in the market for a drone. Such as the Mavic Pro as well as some goggles. So you might want to wait till April 2nd. I will also release some details once I get them and let you guys know what those sales are and what those discounts are. So stay tuned. So Freewell Gear offers these sunshades, and it's really just a cover for you to be able to see your screen in bright daylight. So if you guys do fly during the day and it's really, really bright outside, it's really hard to see your screen unless you're turned away. So what I'll normally do is, and people have asked me in the past, like, what do you do for sunshades? Honestly, I didn't have any except for a long time ago where I had this one flimsy one, and it was done with like magnets, and it would never really sit up properly. I know that there's companies like Hoodman and stuff like that that have a lot of them. I've just never been able to test them out or use them until recently when Freewell sent me these two tests. Before, what I used to do is really just kind of turn my back to the sun if I were flying during the day and it was too bright, or I would find an area somewhere that just had shade, a tree, the side of a building, things like that, where I can kind of just post up in the corner or just turn my back to it. But the only problem with that is you want to make sure that you're seeing your drone. So if the sun is coming this way and you just have to fly in that same direction, you're always going to want to be able to point your antennas towards your drone. So if you're in the sun, you're going to have something like this. And if you really want to make sure that you're dialing in your exposure correctly, just to see your screen in bright daylight. So here it is, guys, the Freewell Gear remote control monitor hood. It's labeled for DJI Mavic Pro, but of course, as you know, the Mavic Pro, the Mavic Air, and the Spark, the remote controls are all pretty much the same as far as these holders go, where you actually hold your mobile device. So I did test them on all of them. They worked fine. There is just some adjustment you have to make sure you have a proper seal all the way around, and I'll show you that in a second. So when you open the box, the only thing that actually comes inside of the box is really just the sunshade. There's no instructions or anything, so it is just the sunshade itself. Now, initially I wasn't sure exactly how to install it. I know it is pretty straightforward of what it's supposed to do, but when you start looking at some of these straps, Velcro and things like that, you just want to make sure that you're installing it properly. So there's a couple ways that I found I was able to install it, and you can actually figure out which one works best for you. So here's the Freewell Sunshade, and I'm going to be installing it onto my iPhone X. Now, they have two sizes that Freewell offers. This one is sized to fit phones about the same size as an iPhone 7 or an iPhone X, which I'm using here, as well as they have a tablet version, and that one is meant to fit something around the same size as an iPad mini. Let me show you what it does and how it fits onto my iPhone X. So the first thing you'll do is put the phone into your device, and there's a couple straps that come off of the Freewell Sunshade. All you do is slide those down into here, turn it over, and pull it, and there's a Velcro right there. As you can see, there's a little Velcro strap that you just pull this around the back, Velcro it onto your sunshade there, and we'll do it on both sides. So along with that Velcro, there's a couple clips. So what you want to do is make sure you have these clips in place, and those clips are really there for you to do it a little bit tighter, and also to make sure that if that Velcro comes off, you have these clips as backup. Now, I am using the iPhone X, and as you can see here, what you want to do is place it so that you don't have any gaps in between the phone and your sunshade. If you have any gaps in between there, you're going to have basically some light leaks. So if the sun is beaming from the side, you'll have a little bit of light coming through here, which of course will show on your screen when you're viewing it through the top. As you can see, right now it sits below the arm all the way around. It sits on the screen nicely right here. And right here, it's a little bit high. So you're gonna have to adjust this just a little bit, push this in just a tad for you to fit this right below that arm, just like that. Now, what's nice about this sunshade is that there's a cutout here at the very bottom. So if you wanna make adjustments, you can actually reach underneath here, make adjustments. If If you want to use flight modes, you want to change your exposure, things like that, you can reach right underneath here and hit some of your settings. Now, if this thing is not perfectly fit on here, the corners, reaching the corners might be a little bit difficult for you. So there might be some adjustments in there that you'll have to do as you're flying. These straps keep it on very tight, so you're not able to move it around. And what's also nice is that they provide you a neck strap. So if you wanted to hook this up and have a neck strap on here, this thing is strong enough to hold your remote control and your device and without falling off because of these straps, Velcro, all right here on the back. They even have a couple pockets. I'm not exactly sure, I didn't even use these pockets, but there's a couple pockets here on the side in case you wanted to store some stuff. I didn't actually use them for anything, but if you wanted to maybe keep your cords or anything like that, you could put those in the pockets here on the side. Now, the one challenge I noticed, of course, and this is kind of a give and take thing, is that if you do have a sunshade on like this, you're not gonna have as comfortable as a position when holding your remote. You know, it'd be nice to have the thumbs over here, but of course you're gonna have to accommodate for that sun. So your positioning of your thumbs are gonna be a little bit different than they were normally if you don't have this sunshade on. So you're gonna have to make a couple adjustments, a couple sacrifices when you want to use something like this. So the one on the left here is without the sunshade, the one on the right is with the sunshade. I tried to have it so I had as much glare on my screen as possible with the sun right behind me, kind of washing it out. As you can see on the left-hand side, it is a lot harder to see the screen, and what I'm doing is moving the distance back and forth just to get you a better idea of how it looks when you are at specific distances away from your screen. I had to actually go in a lot closer in order for me to see my screen without the sunshade, and on the right, it's pretty clear. Of course, there's a little bit of glare just because of the sun and the sky behind me. So that's about it, guys. This is the Freewell Gear sunshade for your mobile device as well as for your tablet or an iPad mini sized device. If you guys got some value from my video, please don't forget to hit that like button. And again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I post new videos. And like I mentioned earlier in the intro, DJI is going to be having a pretty good sale starting April 2nd to the 14th. So you might want to wait if you're looking to buying a drone or looking into some of the accessories that DJI has to offer. They're supposed to be releasing a bunch of discounts on April 2nd. I'll make sure I release a video letting you guys know as I hear from them exactly what's going to be discounted and some of the other things that they're going to be announcing. So make sure you stay tuned on April 2nd for DJI's announcement as far as discounts go. Thanks for watching. This is Aljan Estacio with FlytPath.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.